is Seth Juarez here on the Ignite Live stage with Nick Molnar and Amanda Silver, who are here to tell us everything you need to know about Visual Studio Online. How you doing, my friends?
Good, great to see you.
Great, yeah.
So why don't you introduce yourselves, tell us who you are and what you do. We'll start over here.
Sure, I'm Amanda Silver. I'm the Director of PM for the Visual Studio family of products.
And my name is Nick Molnar. I'm a PM who works on Visual Studio Online.
So why don't we start first with what Visual Studio Online is and why we've gone this way, Amanda?
Right, so we actually introduced this at Build the beginning of the last summer. But basically what Visual Studio Online does is it allows you to have a hosted developer experience inside of Azure. So essentially, what you can do is set up a dev box in a matter of seconds just by pointing it at a repo. And then what it will do is actually set up that VM for you, and it will install all of the dependencies that your repo has so that you can actually start an interactive developer environment. And then further, you can connect to that environment, not just with Visual Studio Code, but also with a browser-hosted editor as well.
And that's really cool. That's the part that I did not understand. So help me out here, because they pointed at a repo and then just like magical stuff happened.
Yeah.
Can you help me out with what the magical, like how did it know what the environment was?
So what we do is we take that repository that you've pointed to, and we'll either use configuration that lives in the repository, or we will analyze the source code and figure out what is the runtime that you need to be productive with that code. We'll clone that code into the environment for you. We'll install extensions. We'll give you everything that you need to be productive as quickly as possible. And then as Amanda mentioned, you use your tool of choice to connect to that thing and then be productive. So effectively, we've shrink wrapped the entire development environment, and we put it in a place that you can connect to whenever you need to. They're quick, they're disposable. Make one for a quick little PR review, or keep one around for months or years as you work on a big long-term project.
And this is a VM that we stand up and we let's just say I'm using Visual Studio Code. Do I have to use the Visual Studio Online version or Visual Studio Code? How does that work?
Yeah, so I don't know if you're familiar with the Visual Studio Code remote capabilities. Yes. So with that, what you can do is you can actually connect to a remote environment, whether that's a WSL environment that's hosted directly on your Windows box, a Docker container, or SSHing into another environment entirely.
I see.
And so we use that same capability to actually connect to a remotely hosted dev environment that's hosted in our managed service, which is Visual Studio Online.
And that's, to me, probably the coolest thing, because it works on my machine excuse is like literally getting torn away bit by bit. I don't know how I'm going to use that anymore.
Yeah.
First it was DevOps, and now it's the actual environment.
Yeah, and there's a key with that, right? In terms of it works on my machine, right? For developers, it's always it repros on my machine.
Right.
And so actually getting your developer environment into the state where you can connect to their environment, see exactly what they're seeing, that's really important. And with Visual Studio Live Share, we introduced the capability, let's say Nick has an environment, he's running into a bug, he can actually invite me into that environment and I can help him debug, which is pretty cool. But what happens if Nick then is asleep, we're in different time zones or something like that? How do I go and investigate that scenario? And so for that's where Visual Studio Online really comes in handy. I can actually just take that environment, and if I'm working against it, I can host that in Visual Studio Online, and I can hand that environment off to Nick to go and investigate asynchronously.
And that's cool, because I literally this morning I was running into an environment problem, and knowing that look, I'm not crazy, it really isn't working, and they're like, well, it's working over here. Being able to ship my environment and have people look at what's going on is pretty amazing. All right, so can you show us a little bit about how this works?
Yeah, sure. So what I have here is a little app that I wrote. It's the ballpark tracker app. I know you're a Dodgers fan.
I'm a Dodgers fan.
I'm a Yankees fan. We both had rough seasons this year. But one of my lifelong goals is to see a game at every stadium across the country.
Okay.
And I'm very proud to report that this summer I did that.
Oh, you did?
I did it, yeah. So this...
Nary a call, man.
Yeah. So
that's a party foul.
So this little... I'll call you next time.
Okay.
You're going to get me a Dodger dog, and it'll be great.
Okay.
So this repo is one that...
Let's pause right here. Are we getting his screen right now? Is his screen coming through? Okay, let's do that.
Yeah, we're good?
We got it.
All right. So this repo is just my app that I use to track that. But I see here my note that, it requires Node and Mongo. Let me open up the Windows terminal real quick and see if I have Node installed.
Ooh,
I don't.
Another party
I should have prepared better for this demo. So I'll tell you what. Instead, we're going to go over here and we're going to click this Create in VS Online button, and this will bring me into online.visualstudio.com's portal, pre-filled with all the information that I need to create an environment from that repository.
And that's from the repo?
That's from the repo.
Is there like a file? Where's the magic?
You just create a URL that you can specify a name and a repository, and you can even get into these advanced options about personalizations and things that you want. Because these environments are customized per project.
I see.
But they're also personalized per person. So Amanda and I could be working on the same on the same repository, but her environment looks and feels the way that she likes, and mine looks and feels the way that I like.
Well, so maybe I'm dense. Help me out. And everyone's like, yes, we know you're dense, Seth. How does that, is there like a file in my own GitHub fork that has my user things, and then the main one that has the environment things?
Yeah, I mean, so basically you can kind of think about it as, let's say there's a repo that has not been initialized with Visual Studio Online at all. Then we'll do all of the things that Nick talked about a minute ago in terms of inspecting the repo, understanding the dependencies, and basically creating a dev container file that describes what is required to actually run that repo, to actually build
That's quite complicated, right? Because what if I'm a Python dev, or what if I'm a Node dev, and what if I'm using a Conda environment, or Python 2.7, which is going out of style next year, so FYI. It knows all about that as well.
It does, yeah. But it not only knows about that, it also knows about my roaming settings for my developer environment. And it basically creates a developer environment and experience that couples those two things together. So whether we use different themes, we can still connect to the same developer environment. We can see all the same environment variables and other things like that, all the same source code, but we each see it through the lens that's appropriate for us.
And that's cool. I mean, you could continue to use Comic Sans for obviously your Visual Studio
Of course,
code.
exactly. Yep.
Burn,
no, Amanda uses Papyrus. It's not the right choice, but I understand.
All right, let's get into this.
So I could go ahead and create an environment. I have one already created, so for the sake of speed, I'll come here. So now let me go to the terminal. Right? I just ran Node, and I didn't have it installed. But if I run it from this terminal, now all of a sudden I have LTS version of Node there.
That's cool.
That's because I'm not on my machine. Clearly, I'm in a browser, right? I'm in Edge. If I look at the uname here, I'm in Linux. This is clearly a Windows demo.
Yes.
Right? There's the Windows key.
He pushed the Windows key a couple of times.
I wanted animations.
That's right.
So I'm on Linux. But okay, so that's cool. Let me go ahead and open up my source code. Here I have this little app. I can do all of the things that you would expect. I'm going to press F5 here. I'm going to launch the debugger. I'm in the browser. This is blows my mind. I've been a web developer for nearly 25 years now.
Yes.
I pressed F5. The tab didn't refresh. The debugger launched the way it's supposed to.
I didn't even think of that.
I know, the first time I was like,
think of that.
This is magic, right? So I hit the breakpoint. You can look at the app. I can see everything that I would expect, my locals, my breakpoints. Let me go ahead and remove this. We'll continue. So I can see that my app is running at localhost 3000. But that's problematic.
Yeah, that's weird because it's in a VM.
This isn't okay.
Somewhere else,
yeah,
right?
So let me go ahead and click on this localhost 3000 link. You see my URL? It's not localhost 3000. We realize that. And now we have port forwarded to the remote, and my app is running.
Holy cow.
So I can go ahead and I'm going to search for Detroit. That's the last park I went to. You can see I've been to 29 of 30 up here in the corner. We're going to take Detroit.
There you go.
And let's mark it as visited and do a victory dance.
Oh, I can do a victory dance, but I'm sure people are trying to eat. And I want to make sure they're okay.
Actually, so Amanda was helping me with this yesterday on the plane.
Hold on, I gotta stop you here because they were telling me this stuff before, and I did not believe them because this story is crazy. So, you were on the plane.
Yeah.
And you were.
I was here. Setting up our booth.
In the Wi-Fi everyone showing up, and it's
like 28 baud Wi-Fi.
It's kind of dodgy. And you were working on this together.
Yeah, we wanted to make sure the demo was going to work.
Together,
yeah.
From the plane and dodgy Wi-Fi.
Yeah, so I mean, what's really great about this is that it's not like we're blitting the screen, right? We're not sending images across the wire. It's not some huge, massive payload.
It's not like a movie.
It's actually really just only the minimal information that's required to basically update the developer environment so that we stay in sync. And so that's actually a minimal amount of messages.
Text, highly compressible.
That's crazy, because everyone knows airplane Wi-Fi is good for sending text messages, maybe.
But it's also really good for intermittent connectivity because we actually can maintain the session state, and if we lose a packet, we just resend it, and everything kind of resumes.
But apparently it's good enough to debug on a remote VM using Visual Studio Online.
Yeah.
When neither of us have Node installed.
When you neither, okay, this is pretty messy. All right, so sorry I interrupted you there.
No, you're fine. I'm a little bummed because I wanted to check off number 30 here in front of everybody, but maybe Amanda can help me out with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come into my environment, and I'm going to use live share, and I'm just going to invite her right in to come and connect, not to my computer, but to the remote that I'm connected to.
Okay.
To this thing that's running in Azure.
Okay.
So in a moment, she should pop up and be able to log in.
All right.
I see the request from Nick on my machine.
Do we have her screen? Let's make sure we get to her screen. So
I already clicked accept.
Nice. There it is.
What it's doing is it's actually opening up Visual Studio Code. Now this is the rich client, just to kind of show you, exactly what's happening here. This is actually the rich client here.
The one that I love and use.
Yeah, exactly.
But
and
I use the old man white theme because I'm too old for a dark theme, I think. I'm not cool enough like people here.
Yeah, well, I only do this when I'm in front of other people.
Oh, okay. Sorry, Amanda, you were saying.
But what you can see here is that it's setting up the remote connection. And if you look in the lower left-hand corner, you can see the opening remote. Mm-hmm. So it's actually using the same remote capabilities that Visual Studio Code introduced earlier this spring.
Uh-huh.
And it's using that to connect to the live share instance that's connecting to his Visual Studio Online instance.
Holy cow. You literally see like the command line in there, and it's a different one that I've been used to seeing, right? The $ and everything. 'Cause that's a Linux box, right?
Yep, it's a Linux box. So it's still initiating.
That's okay.
It'll take just a second.
And so what kind of applications can people do it? This is pretty much anything.
Yeah, pretty much anything you can code.
So we have kind of two things happening right now. So what we announced today and is in public preview is Visual Studio Online, everything that you've seen with Linux-backed environments.
Okay.
We have support for Windows-backed environments, but those are in private preview,
okay.
And you can go to our webpage and you can sign up for that now. But from that, you can do whatever you want to. You can configure the environment however you want, install whatever you want, and go for it.
And that's pretty cool. Like the thing that I've always struggled with, and this happened literally, I'm not even making this up. I was setting up a demo for something tomorrow that I'm not going to talk about, right? Just quite yet. But the demo machine did not have the environment I need. I spent an hour figuring out what was wrong. And you're telling me I can have all of those hours back.
So we had to set up 5 workstations at our booth. It took us 5 minutes because they're all online environments. We just logged into the browser.
I feel like it's not work anymore now that you people are making it do this.
Well, that's good. I hope that you get to enjoy what you're doing and not have to focus on all of those little things.
Awesome, Amanda.
So if you go back to Nick's machine, actually, you can see that I'm actually in this environment now, and you can see my cursor kind of highlighting things.
Yeah, that's nice.
So we're coding. So I thought, Amanda, that the problem was here. This is where we're sending off that request. When you check the box, you make the fetch here to go and update that API and passing along this body.
Yeah.
But
okay.
I don't know why. This all looks like it's right to me. Do you see anything?
So the other thing you can see is that I still have the fact that he was still in a debug session. Mm-hmm. So I can go back into this, and I can go to, in this case, I happen to know what the bug is, so
okay.
I'm going to go to index.js.
Yeah. We didn't rehearse this at all.
And I'm just going to go ahead and make this change to install
I didn't see
Express.
you make a change. Where are you changing stuff,
Let
Amanda?
me show you. So if I go back to the live share viewlet, what I can do is bring his focus to where I'm coding. And so now his environment actually updates, and he can actually see where I've made that change.
All right, let's see his machine. I want to see if there you go.
That was so much better than being like, oh, click on that file index and scroll to this line.
Yeah.
No, not that line, the next line down.
Yeah, so it really makes communication so much easier when you're actually doing pair programming, especially when somebody is remote. Mm-hmm. And further, we have chat capabilities built in, audio built in, things like that coming online.
Well, this is pretty impressive. I'm excited to try it out myself to see if I can't finally abstract away when I'm developing it. Because containers were cool because it enabled you to run something in a wrapped environment, but it didn't necessarily help you when you were trying to develop in an environment.
Yeah, but what's so important for developers, especially with kind of modern DevOps practices, is that your developer environment is as close as possible to the real production environment.
All right, so we are almost out of time. Where can people go to find out more?
Online.visualstudio.com.
Fantastic. Make sure everyone goes to online.visualstudio.com to see all of this wizardry and magic, and maybe you too.
Thanks for your help.
Can even develop from an airplane and dodgy Wi-Fi. Now, let's head out to the conference floor where our community reporter Helen is getting us the scoop at the Microsoft Learn booth. Let's go to her.